Regionalism, the feeling of affinity, which means a spontaneous or natural liking or sympathy for someone or something, developed about language and region, gradually turns into the identity, consciousness, and finally gives rise to regionalism. Now, people start thinking primarily about the interest and development of their own region. They start feeling proud of their language, literature, traditions, history of social reforms, educational and cultural movements. And this gives rise to development of linguistic identity. The feeling that people belonging to that particular region should have claim over resources and employment opportunity rises. When linguistic, regional, cultural, and other identities get connected, regional identity emerges as a strong feeling. Sometimes it gives rise to independent political parties, or pressure groups or movements. All such developments aim at protection of the interest of the region. Regional parties. Now, regional parties are those groups who have a proud feeling about the different identity of their region and who compete to get political power with the objective of regional development and not national development. Regional parties give preference to the resolution of regional problems. For the development of the region, they demand more autonomy and authority. Regional parties make several demands, such as regional problems should be resolved at regional level, political power should be in the hands of the people from the region, and residents of the region should get preference in administration and jobs. To get recognition as a regional party, the Election Commission has prescribed the following conditions. A political party should secure minimum 6% of the valid votes in the earlier Lok Sabha or state assembly elections, and minimum 2 members should be elected in the Vidhan Sabha, that is the state assembly. Or a political party should secure minimum 3% of seats out of total seats of Vidhan Sabha, state assembly, or minimum 3 seats. Changing nature of regional parties. Over the years, the nature and role of regional parties have changed. Initially, regional identities gave rise to the separatist movements. The demands for independent Khalistan, Dravidistan were made with the objective of parting from the Indian Federation and to exist as an independent country. Regional parties from Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir have made such demands. The demands of regional parties slowly changed. Instead of independent state or country, they started demanding more autonomy. Now, this is the second stage in the development of regional parties, and this stage began after 1990. The regional parties demanded that for the development of the region, people from region should get power at the state and national level. For example, Shiv Sena, Telugu Desam Party, etc. They make this demand, and this is the third phase of the regional party. Now, if we compare the regional parties in other parts of country to the parties existing in Northeast, it shows a different trend. They gave up the demand of separatism and have started demanding autonomy. The regional parties from Northeast are now entering into mainstream of national politics. Coalition politics is one of the consequences or one of the result of the increasing influence of regional parties in national politics. Now we are going to see some major regional parties. The first one is Shiv Sena. It is the main political party in Maharashtra and was established in 1966. Its founder is Bal Thackeray. Now its objective was protection of the rights of Marathi people, promotion of Marathi language, resistance to people from other regions. In 1995, it entered into coalition with BJP and came to power in Maharashtra. It shares power with the BJP in Maharashtra since 2014. At present also, Shiv Sena has formed state government in Maharashtra. The second party we are going to see is Shiromani Akali Dal. Now this party was established in the year 1920. Its objective is cultivating religious and regional identity. It gave a political voice to the Sikhs. It believes that religion and politics should go hand in hand. It assumes power in Punjab for many years. The next party is Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. It is the main regional party in Kashmir and was established in 1932. Its founder is Sheikh Abdullah and Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas. It has formed government in 1947 to 2002. The government or the state government in Jammu and Kashmir was formed by this party. Again from 2009 to 2015, this party was able to form its government in Jammu and Kashmir. Initially, it was known as All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference. However, it was renamed in 1939 in order to represent all the people of the state. Its objective is to protect the interest of Kashmiri people and protection of autonomous status. Assam Gun Parishad. Now this party was formed after the Assam Accord of 1985. It formed government in 1985 to 89, 1996 to 2001 in the state of Assam. It currently supports the BJP government at the center. It resolves the problems of displaced people. That is one of the objectives of this party. Protect the unique cultural, linguistic and social identity of Assam, economic development of Assam. All these are the objectives of this party. The next party is Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Now Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement in 1920 was transformed into Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, a political party. In 1944, the Justice Party came to be known as Dravida Kazhagam. In the same year, we see a group separated from this party and established another party called Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Again, another group in the year 1972 separated and established All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Now, the leader of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam is M.K. Stalin and it is the third largest party in Lok Sabha. The party has support of voters from all sections of society. It was in power for a long period and implemented many policies. But as of now in Tamil Nadu, All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam has formed the party. Now, regional parties in Maharashtra. This is according to election year 2009 and 2014. Shiv Sena in the year 2009 had 44 seats and in 2014 has had 63 seats. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena 13 seats in 2009 and 1 seat in 2014. Peasants and Workers' Party 4 in 2009, 3 in 2014. Republican Party of India Bahujan Mahasangh the year 2009 1 and in 2014 1 again. Republican Party of India got no seats in 2009 and 2014. Samajwadi Party got 4 seats in 2009 and 1 in 2014. Bahujan Vikas Aghadi in the year 2009 2 seats and 3 in 2014. Rashtriya Samaj Paksha in the year 2009 and 2014 it got 1 seat each. Now the next party, All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin, did not exist in 2009. In 2014, it did participate in elections and got 2 seats. Jan Surajya Shakti got 2 seats in 2009 and no seats in 2014. Lok Sangram got 1 seat in 2009 and Swabhimani Party also got 1 seat in 2009, but see in 2014, neither of these parties got any seats. Now, do these regional parties function only at state level? No. Some state parties have their influence in other states as well, where ideology of the parties is similar. Moreover, some state parties enter into coalition with national parties, which means they could function at the national level as well. The next question. Some state leaders are influential at national level, while some have influence only at state level. Why is it so? Some state leaders might want to widen the area of influence. They might want to work at the national level. However, some state leaders whose ideology and area of work may be restricted only to the needs of the state will function only at the state level. So it depends upon the leader. So children, with this we complete explanation for this lesson. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and take care.